O- Okay, my name is Neil. I'm doing a test for Grace. We're doing a test on these single port filters that we have here. What we have behind here is a single port filter, one of the older types, which is working, and then a dual port filter, which is also working. And I'll show you that. And what we're gonna do the speed test on my iPad. Using this jack. This jack is actually connected to our fax line, which has the ADSL service on it. So without anything connected, I'll just do a speed test on the iPad. And let's see how it works. You'll see up here how it's downloading, and that's megabytes. So it has 1.5 megabytes, and then the upload. My hand is shaking a bit, but it's okay. Okay, so we have, so that's with nothing in. There's nothing in the jack, and that's the speed we have. So let's go ahead now and plug this in. This is the single port filter, and we'll just plug this into the jack here. So you'll see this is plugged in now, and we'll redo the test. Okay. That's actually working quite well. Good. Okay, so let's take this out, put that there. We'll pick up this one now, put this in. So that's the dual port filter in. Let's restart the test. And that's actually doing quite well as well. Good. Okay, so we know that both of these are working. We've proved it now 3 times. So let's now cut these out of the bag and let's get these done. Okay, so we've got five of the filters here, 5 of the single port filters. So what we'll do now then is we're gonna do the same test. You'll see that the last test is still up on the screen, so we'll plug this one in now. This is the single port filters from these 5 here. We'll plug it in there. Okay, so that's plugged in, and then we'll restart the test. Okay, you'll see that even although I have restarted the test, that nothing is happening. Okay, nothing. It says testing ping, and nothing's happening. It's just dead. There's no movement at all. Okay, and I can take this one out, and we'll put this one to one side, and we'll plug another one in. Okay, so this is the second one in, and we'll wait a bit. Right, and you see that there's nothing happening. Testing ping, and there's nothing happening. It's just dead. So let's take this one out. We'll try another one. And these are fresh out of the bag. That's in there, and we'll wait for it to ping. you'll see that it's not active. There's nothing happening, which means that this filter is also not working. So we'll take this one out. That's the third one. We'll put it back there. This one this is another one. We'll put it in and check the meter. You'll see there's nothing happening there at all. So that filter is also not good. It says testing ping, which means it's not able to ping. Okay, so we put that there. That's 4. And then we'll just do this last one now. I've just put that in there. Let me watch it and see. Okay, so you see that's not working either. So that's 5 filters right out of the bag that are not working. And this is the problem we're getting. When we deliver these filters to stores by the hundreds, and then they return them to us, and we have to give them a credit because they're not working. And I mean, this is the same problem we're getting. So I think that it's conclusive. Let us just put the other filters then. Let us just put these filters in again and see what happens, just to prove that that everything here at the office is working well. So this filter is the older type. This is the one we had from Tongren before we had these others. These are the newest type. These are the one we took delivery of in December 2011, I think it was. And we had this double one just before that, I think 3 months or so before that. So these are the 2 that we're going to use now for our control. Let's just plug this back in. I'm just going to plug this into here. Okay, so we've plugged that back in now. And